Hi, this is Bob Mack with Advanced Solutions Property Management, here today to talk a little bit about dealing with problem tenants. This is probably the biggest reason why we get calls, is dealing with problem tenants. An owner runs into a situation where they're having a hard time with a specific tenant, they'll call a property manager. Therefore, we have a lot of experience dealing with problem tenants. So these are some of the points to remember when you have that situation happen to you. Remember, this is a business transaction. Try to keep the emotion out of it. Once you let emotion enter into it, it's not going to go well for either party. That's a benefit of hiring a property manager, is they keep the emotion out of it and they treat it like a business transaction. Remember also to always follow the terms of the signed lease agreement. Don't bend the rules. You, the owner, must follow these terms very well. Don't give the tenant an out if you're not following the terms that are specified in that lease agreement. So just follow the terms. And when you act decisively. Don't take half measures. If you're going to force a lease, you must be willing to follow through with your actions. That is, don't do a posting for a 3-day pay or quit or a comply or vacate and then not take action afterwards. Not taking action only will confuse the tenant and make the tenant think that you're not going to take actions with whatever postings. So make sure that you're following through on any demand notices that you're posting. And then fourth, by following the terms of the lease in the first place, situations will generally not deteriorate. It's when we don't follow the terms of the lease, or you let the tenant do things that aren't that are specified in the lease and you still let them do it, they're going to continue to do that and things are only going to get out of hand. So just follow the terms of the lease in the first place and both parties will be much happier. This is Bob Mack with Advanced Solutions Property Management. If you would like to speak about these or any other management issues that you're having, please feel free to give me a call.